thanks for tuning in this morning. This is the Christ Central Ministries fishing show because we're going fishing. Tell them, Mary.
We're going fishing with the men's ministry real soon, coming around in April.
That's right, it's going to be in April because, well, you know, in the springtime, the worms is nice and fat and juicy, and that's what you need if you want to go fishing with the Christ Central Ministries Iron Man Ministry.
Sorry. That look on your face threw me away. We're here with some fishing tips for you so you know how and what to bring for your fishing trip.
Yeah, now, we're on the media team, so we bring microphone stands when we go fishing. That's what we use. It's a big black pole and it works great. The fish just love them.
And instead of using worms, we use a tape.
Yeah, that's
we
right.
String it all out there and just tie it on there, and it just catches them fish just fine.
Man, them big old wide mouth bass, man. You know, I mean, they just get a hold of that tape because they love that stuff.
Yeah, they do.
Yep.
Now, don't forget, if you go fishing, that you need to have something to protect your head with.
Yeah, that's right, because, you know, them shiny spots, man, they come back you looking like a Red Sox fan. And now, look here. One of the most important things that Pastor will tell you about when you go fishing is you want to cover your scent.
That's right. Don't forget to get them fish eggs and rub it all over your body
everything
so that the fish do not realize that you're human and not fish.
Because if they get one sniff of you, they're going to jump out of the water and run for high country. So, with all these tips and more, you'll be ready to go on the Iron Man Ministries fishing trip
on April 21st, real soon.
We'll see you then.